In this lesson, we're gonna start creating our payment screen. So first, let's create this header component. This header is just this circle and this text. And if you remember, we got here this arrow. We've built it here, remember, inside our contact us screen. So we've created this component before. We're gonna just import it and add this text to it. So let's go here and inside src, inside screens, let's create a new file and name it payment screen.tsx. And we're gonna create a functional component. Then let's go and render it. So in app.tsx, we're gonna just render payment screen like this. Now let's remove this and get our simulator. Now let's start building our screen. The first component was the header. So we're gonna just add a view here with a style equals to Felix direction is gonna be row, and inside it we're gonna just add the main back. Remember it? What was the name of component? It's called back button. Back button. We've duplicated this view import. What's wrong with my code? Let's try to reload it. I think it's just needed to reload. And with the back button, we're gonna just add a text. And inside this text, we're gonna just add this payment. And this text, the font size of it is 17, and this is the color of it. So inside this text, we're gonna add this style. Font size is a scale of 17, and the color is this hex color. And the name of it is payment. So we're gonna just pass this payment. Let's format our code and see. We just need to add some space here at the top. So let's just, in this container, let's just add style equals to, we're gonna add the Felix of 1, and padding top, we're gonna just make it, for example, vertical scale of, let's make it 40, or let's get it from Figma. So if we just open Figma, it's 57. Let's make it 50. Like this. And we just need to add some space between the payment text and the back icon, 18 pixels. So for this text, we're gonna just add margin start, scale of 18. And for this container view, we're gonna just add align items to center, because we want to center the text with the back button. So let's just center it like this. And let's remove this first text. In this screen, we got here padding horizontal, but here we don't have this padding, so we're gonna implement the padding to this and also to the rest of the component. So how much is the padding? The padding is 24. So let's add in the container here, padding horizontal, scale of 24, like this. I think the pixels in Figma is much bigger than mobile, because sometimes Figma pixels are not like the mobile pixels. So let's try to decrease those numbers. For example, this 18, let's make it, for example, 20. And this 24, let's make it 20, or let's even make it 16. Let's try 16. I think 16 is better. Okay. Now let's just add some margin bottom of 37. So margin bottom to this container here. Margin bottom is vertical scale 37. Now we are done with the header. Next lesson, we're gonna create this payment method card.